So do you want to lose weight or what?
Yes.
I started off at 285 pounds and I've lost over 100 pounds naturally.
Wow.
Yes, naturally. So I'm going to give you some tips that's going to help you to drop 7 to 10 pounds in just 1 week.
Please help me.
Now, if you're not trying to lose weight rapidly, keep on scrolling. So number one, guys, it is a mental game. So you need to put in your mind that summertime is coming and I got to get this weight off by any means necessary. So let's get into it. So we're not going to be counting calories. We're not doing any of that. Our whole focus is keeping our insulin levels low. Guys, insulin determines on if you're going to lose weight or not.
That's so true.
Insulin also makes belly fat.
Ooh,
so when your insulin levels are high, you're not going to lose weight. You're not going to burn fat. When insulin levels are low, you lose weight, you burn fat. So in a nutshell, we're going to eat less frequently. We're going to eat less meals. That's going to keep our insulin levels low. So first thing that we're going to do is intermittent fasting. Choose an 8-hour window that you're going to eat in. Then we're only going to be eating 2 meals a day within that 8-hour window. If you get hungry in between time, just drink a protein shake. So meal 1 and meal 2 is going to be the same thing. You're going to have 6 to 8 ounces of protein per meal and a large amount of low-carb vegetables per meal. Then you're going to add you a little bit of healthy fats per meal, and this is going to help to keep you fuller longer. So I know for a fact that this works. I've helped thousands of other people lose weight as well. So if you're going to try this out for 7 days, put a number 7 in the comment section and make sure that you follow me for more tips. Bye.